So this is something that I would do because I'm looking for a course template. So I've actually just popped into Google, what's a good course template? Because I'm trying to look for inspiration to build it on our own Duda site. And if we look at, I generally like to go through bestsellers, or best rated is always a good one. So I'll click on best rated, or let's just, go back to bestsellers because there's 341 people like. So I'm just going to click on that there. And there's always a live preview. See the live preview? So I'm going to just open that up. And the good thing is you just go in here and look on demos, and then you go, right, what's it going to look like for a certain person? So let's call it an online academy. So we're going for an online academy style theme. And this is where people steal all their course ideas from. So I'm going to look at, I just want to look at a particular course which is kind of business related. So I'll always just type Control F, search for business, and that will be design instruments. No, nothing that exciting there. That's okay. We'll just go back to the courses. Have a look here. We want to do something you can do online. Yep. Right, so we've got a business and marketing courses here, and then we'll just do a pick on this one here, computer science, preview the course. So all we're looking to do when we're creating a course is just looking at what everyone else does, and then you just do that. So it's really, really simple. So it looks like I'm now going to take a screenshot of this, and there's a cat on there for some reason. Nope. And I'm going to screenshot. I wonder if I can do two at once. Perfect. So I'm just going to grab this, copy that, and I'm just going to grab that. I'm going to save it. Save as online course demo. Yeah, I'll just save it in my file, and off we go. And that's it.